Hey guys, how's it going? Scott from Kingdom Living here. Today I'm introducing a new playlist on all about digital nomads. I'm gonna be interviewing my friends that I'm meeting here at the Selena. If you didn't know already, Selena's got a great co-work program that you can, if you're a digital nomad, you go into these offices and you either pay, I think it's $10 a day, or you get the monthly subscription. And you go into the co-work spaces and you work away. Their Wi-Fi is phenomenal. So they have 87 locations all around the world, and it doesn't just stop there. There's tons of other places doing this. You can get Airbnbs with good Wi-Fi all over the world. You can make an earning and travel the world. It's like the coolest thing I think ever. So that's why I started to do what I'm doing. I left back home and I'm just trying this out. And Brittany actually picked up a job. We network with people, and people here are so nice. You just start talking to them, and Brittany got offered a job, and she's actually working right now. So maybe we could interview Brittany. So if you don't know what a digital nomad is at all, and you're totally new to this, you have no clue what it is. Digital nomad is someone who earns a living from their laptop or from their computer with a Wi-Fi connection, and they're not fixed by any office location. They can go anywhere they want in the world. As long as it has good Wi-Fi, a nice office space, you're golden. So according to data from MBO Partners, in 2019, there were 7.3 million Americans who identified as digital nomads. From 2019 to 2020, it increased by 49% and is now 10.9 million Americans are digital nomads. 29% of digital nomads visit 3 to 5 countries, where only 17% visit more than 5 countries a year. Some top destinations to be a digital nomad is Thailand, Indonesia, Colombia, and Mexico. The number of people that work remotely has increased 140% since 2005. So with technology advancing, this has become a more viable option. I think also, well, I know also the last couple years of what's happened with the pandemic, this has just increased because people started working from home. Once you can work from home, you can work from anywhere. A FlexJob survey revealed that 1 in 5 digital nomads earn anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 a year. So don't think that digital nomads don't get paid well. They can be paid very well. And if you're starting out, yes, obviously you're not gonna be in that range. You could be, but probably not. But there is room to grow, and you could be making a really good salary traveling the world. If you want to learn more about digital nomads, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, make sure you like the video, and stay tuned, guys. I'm going to be pumping out tons of information on digital nomads. And if it's something that you want to do and you're interested in, then this is the perfect channel to follow. I don't plan on ever stopping. Honestly, me and my wife are super happy traveling the world and earning a living. This is just such a cool opportunity for us, and I think it's a great opportunity for anyone. Traveling the world has opened up my mind in ways that I never could have even imagined, or would never have happened back home. So if you want to live this lifestyle, I mean, I'm in Costa Rica right now, and I'm on top of the rooftop with just a gorgeous view to my right, a gorgeous view to my left. I could not be happier, and I want everyone to feel this way. I want everyone to be happy, and if this is something that is on your mind, please follow. I want to give all the information I can on this, and if you're feeling stuck, I'm your guy. I'm going to get you out of that. I'm going to get you out of that 9 to 5 so you can see the world. Awesome. See you guys.